Hey all, welcome back to Information Technology. So in this video, I'll be discussing with you some of the element tags we use in HTML. So let's get started. So I have saved this file beforehand only, like this is the name of the file demo6. Okay. So the first tag, like we have used before, first tag is HTML, then head, and within head tag we will use title tag. Title I'm giving is element tags, and now I'll just close this title tag and then I'll close this head tag. Now we'll begin with the body tag now, and now we'll begin with some of the element tags. So the first tag is bold. Okay, so using bold, wait, I'll show you the functioning of this thing. First I'm writing here, so I'm writing here p tag, and within p tag I'm writing this text. This is hypertext markup language, and now I just close this p tag. And now see, for bold tag we use this b word. Okay, so like I want to use this tag for this word text. Okay, so now what I'll do is, before this text I'll write this b tag, and after this text also I'll write this b tag. Now I'll save this file, Ctrl+S, and then we'll view it over here. Now just see, this text word is being written in bold. Like in Word files also we make the text as bold sometimes, isn't it? So this is the same functioning which this b keyword gives over here. Okay, so the next tag which we'll be using is italic. This word also you would have heard in Word, isn't it? So let's see it's working also. Okay, so I'll just copy this same text over here, and now I'll just paste it over here. Now instead of this b tag I'll use here I, and I'll close this I. This I is for italics, like I told you, and here I'll write, for the indication purpose I'll write here I. And now save the file and view it in the browser. Okay, so I open this browser window and we'll view it here. See, this text word is now being displayed in italics. So this is the purpose of this I tag. Now moving on to the next one is, line through. Okay, line through tag. Now for this line through tag, what it will do is that it will display the line on the text. Like you write the, like see, this word is text, isn't it? So on this text a line will be displayed. Okay, so for this line through tag we have two tags. One is del and the other one is strike. So both of these tags, their working is same. Okay, so now we'll just copy the same text, and instead of this b I'll write here del, and here also del. Now save it and view it. Now we'll refresh it and see, this is what I was telling you, that this line will be displayed on this text. It will be between this text. Okay, now instead of this del tag, if I write here strike, now see what happens, it will also display the same results. Okay, I save it and now just see, it's again displaying the same thing only. So now the other tag is superscript and subscript. I'll tell in one only, superscript and subscript. Okay, so now for superscript we use SUP and for subscript we use SUB. Okay, so I'll tell you both of the things in just one. Okay, so like I'm writing here H2O. Okay, and the next one which I'll be writing is okay, like mathematical formula, a square plus b square, and I close this p tag. Now see what happens. See, it is displayed like this, but what I want is this 2. For this water formula I want this 2 to be displayed like here at the base of this text. Okay, and this in this formula a square plus b square I want this 2 to be displayed above this words. Okay, so how we'll do this? Now see, for displaying a number or anything above the base text, what we need to do is we need to use SUP, which is for superscript. Okay, and now I'll close it, and then what I'll do is, like in this case, sorry, I just reversed the things. Here I'll use subscript because 2 needs to be displayed below the text, right? And here a square plus b square we want, right? So here I'll use superscript SUP, and here also SUP, and I'll close this tag over here. Now I'll save it and we'll see the results here. Now see, this is how we wanted it to be displayed. Okay, I think I have deleted the O over there. Yeah, so now see the results. See, this is how we wanted our text to be displayed, this formula for water, and this is that mathematical formula, right? So for displaying anything below the text we need to use what? Subscript. And for displaying anything above the text or base text, then we use superscript. So I hope this would have been clear. So now it's a healthy practice that we just close this thing, although I'm using sublime text, but still we need to make this certain that we are following this. Okay, following this basic structure. So I hope this would have been really informative. I hope you would have been able to understand these things clearly. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.